Chapters on YouTube videos are a great way to direct users to a specific section, and it is also quite useful in ranking in Google search, as well as on YouTube. Google has now started showing YouTube videos in their search results, and uses chapter to find specific topics within the video. But creating chapters for videos on YouTube is a time-taking process. So, in this video, I'll show you two methods. One is a paid method and the other one is free method. Let's first talk about the paid method. You will need to install Google Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. It is an excellent Chrome extension that will complement your YouTube Studio dashboard by giving you some cool features. Some features of this Chrome extension are free to use, but some features are under paid subscription. After signing in using your YouTube credentials, TubeBuddy is giving me several options. TubeBuddy has added different buttons in different sections, which lets me view information about my video quickly. And here you can see it has given me the easy option of adding chapters. However, this option comes under Pro license. I will have to pay $4 per month if I opt for the annual plan. And if I opt for the monthly plan, it will be $5 per month. Now, let's talk about the free method. But before we do that, we will have to disable the TubeBuddy Chrome extension because it will not allow that Chrome extension to appear here. So, we will go to the extensions toolbar, click on it and then find the TubeBuddy extension. We can click on Manage Extension and then disable it from here. Once it is disabled, now search for YouTube Chapter Editor in Chrome Web Store and install it. The YouTube Chapter Editor will not be visible anywhere else. It only will be visible on the Video Details page. This is the Video Details page and you will find the YouTube Chapter Editor over here. Now you can play that video and find your section and then click on Add. It will add it along with the title. So the very first chapter would be the intro chapter. It would be the starting of your video. So give it intro title and then move that video to the other section where you think it would be appropriate to add another chapter. So I have got this section which starts at 47 seconds. I will give it a title. Now I will again play that video and look for another section of the video where I can add the chapter. So I found another section of this video where I can add the chapter. So I'll click on Add and give it a title. Similarly, I'll find all the sections of my video by playing it and searching for the different sections. So at the end of the video, you can also add a chapter named as CTA. So that's it. Once you have added all those chapters, you can paste it in the description area of your video and then click on Save. When you click on your video and open it, you can see that the chapters have been added. These chapters are visible here. I would like to mention some tips for creating chapters that will help you speed up your process. So while you are editing your video, make sure you add title slides before starting the new section so that it will be easier to locate the sections and add it using this YouTube Chapter Editor Chrome extension. So, I hope you find this video useful. If you did, you can hit the like button.